Hey everyone, it's Bala from WTI, and if you're wondering what I'm doing under the sink, I am here to show you the reverse osmosis machine that we installed in my mom's house. If you're on municipal water, yes, the water is technically clean, but it does have some chemicals, including chlorine, that they use to pre-treat the water so that there's no bacteria buildup in the pipes. That chlorine is going straight into you if you're drinking straight from your faucet. So this machine by Vortopt is going to remove 99% of all its stuff, and here it has these convenient lights that will tell you when your filters need to be changed, and they are so easy to replace. You just order online. I love how fast this fills water. Having a tank does make it possible to fill up way quicker, and the brushed nickel matches her sink perfectly, so it looks really nice and sleek on there. So I know all these wires look really scary and complicated, and I honestly had my husband install it because I was a little intimidated, but I'm going to show you what is really the primary things you should be concerned about and why they're not that big of a deal. So this is everything that was included in the box. It's a very complete kit. So right here is where you're going to tap into the drain system. This is where you're going to have the water go out that you expel. Then you're also going to have an opening for your faucet. Then you're going to want to make sure you have water source. So those are the three main things that you're going to have to connect, and then you just input the cables into here. Not as scary as it seems, and if you are a DIY person, you got this. You do want to flush your water through for about 30 minutes like the instructions say, and then you will be ready to go. So if you're not 100% sure what is all in your water, get yourself a reverse osmosis machine. It'll remove 99% of whatever you don't know is in there, and it will taste so much better. But that's just my point of view.